Hey guys,
Hello.
I know it's been a while, but we bring you some RV content finally.
We are at an RV show in Dallas, and it is the Dallas RV Supersale.
Supersale show, yep.
So we've been looking at some alliances and stuff, the things we like, and it's pretty nice. So,
Yeah, I think we found a new favorite that might be on our wish list.
yeah,
But,
you'll see that in a little bit.
But it's good to get out and see RVs again, and we're definitely looking forward to camping soon. So
Hopefully.
we'll show you some stuff that we liked here, some stuff that we just wanted to film, and you know what? There's actually an RV here for $14,000.
Yeah, I'll show you that one. It's small, but hey, it's doable. It's
Get you
actually
out
pretty
there.
cute.
All right, stick around.
Alright, we're kicking it off with the Springdale by Keystone. It is in fact $13,999. This is the SG1300BH. It is 15 feet 10 inches long. There is your main bed, plenty of storage right there. You've got a shelf up above the bed. And then over here is the BH part. You've got a single bunk here and a single bunk down below. Now here's your microwave, your mini fridge, and even a fireplace. And here's your bathroom. No frills, but it's not a wet bath. And then here's your kitchen, stainless appliances. You got a cooktop and a sink and plenty of storage above and below. And that is Springdale by Keystone. All right, now we're on to something a little bit bigger, the Keystone Raptor. And this thing is huge. And even Jim is telling me to check out the amount of storage it has under it right here. It's kind of nice. Then we're going to turn around here and hop on inside. And we're going to go up here and check out the bedroom first. It's a nice, cozy little bedroom. It's got the closet over here where you have your washer dryer prep if you so choose to use it for that. Nice closet doors too. And here's your bed. Looks nice and cozy in here. And then we're going to turn around and pop into the bathroom. And here is the shower enclosure. It is glass doors. Has a nice little fold down bench seat there in the shower for you. There's your potty. Some storage next to it. And here's more storage. Nice counter space. And a really nice lighted mirror. And we're going to pop down to the living / kitchen area. There's a good table and chairs right there. I'm going to turn around and we will see the fireplace, soundbar, and your TV. And that's all in front of a big L-shaped sofa. And there's Jim. Hello. And now we're going to turn around and pop out into the garage area, which is about 14 feet. It does have the Happy Jack sofas in it. And that leads you out onto your little patio. It's really nice, got a lot of room, a lot of storage, and a lot of capability for hauling stuff. And that is the Keystone Raptor. It is 44 feet 9 inches, the model number 441. All right, now we're moving on to one almost as big as the previous one. This is the Keystone Fusion Toy Hauler. It's the FC373. It is 39 feet 6 inches. It too has an incredible amount of storage underneath right here. Now we're going to turn around here and pop inside. And here is your sink and countertop, your island. This is your kitchen, and here's your living area. It's very long. I think that's a 4-butt sofa, if I'm not mistaken. Huge refrigerator, full-size oven. You've got seating at your countertop here, your island. It just seems like there's a ton of storage in this thing, even just for the kitchen. Now we're going to turn over here, and here is your entertainment area. You have a nice little fireplace, your soundbar, and your TV. And here is your garage. It has the little loft up top here. There's storage. There's your TV. There's a bathroom off in the corner. And then it has the Happy Jack sofa here so that you can have more beds. Now we're going to go in here. Isn't this lovely? I like all the under cabinet lighting. It's really nice. Got a big stainless sink right here. Plenty of storage above that. Now we're going to pop into the bathroom. Nice counter space, good storage. There's your mirror. Your shower has glass shower doors. It has a little bench seat on the inside, and there's your toilet and more storage, of course. The towel rack back there. And now here's your bedroom. Looks nice and comfy, cozy. Decent amount of storage in there in the closet. You got some drawers right here, window, and there is your TV for your bedroom. Now here is the outside. This one is called the Stars and Stripes edition. You can see why. And look at these lovely awnings. They're all lighted too. And here is your back patio from the outside, which I think is lovely. And that is the Keystone Fusion. Well, that is all the time we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we thank you very much for watching. And we will see you out there. Bye.